Ever get to the end of the month and wonder, where did my money go? You're not alone. Budgeting isn't about cutting out everything you love, it's about directing your cash toward what matters most. Stick with me and you'll learn how to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start telling your money where to go. What is a budget? Think of a budget as GPS for your wallet. Just like a map guides you to your destination, a budget guides your money to your goals. It keeps you from wandering aimlessly through Amazon flash sales or late-night DoorDash orders so you can afford that trip, down payment, or concert you've been dreaming about. Start by tracking your spending. Before we chart a course, we need to know where you're starting. For the next month or two, track every expense, yes, even that extra oat milk latte or random app purchase. Use a notes app, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app. The point isn't to judge yourself, it's to identify patterns. You might be surprised how much those $4 coffees add up. Separate needs from wants. Now comes the fun part, calling out your needs versus your wants. A roof over your head, groceries, and your phone bill. Those are needs. A premium streaming package and a daily smoothie bowl. More of a want. Be honest about what you really need to survive versus what just makes life more fun. This clarity will help you make smarter decisions. Choose a budgeting method ready to put your money on a diet. One popular plan is the 50-30-20th rule. Spend 50% of your take-home pay on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on saving or paying off debt. If you're trying to save faster, flip it to 70-20ths, 10, or go all in with zero-based budgeting, where every dollar has a job. Think of it as assigning tasks to your money so it doesn't slack off. Save first, then spend. Your future self will thank you for this next move. Pay yourself first by automating a deposit into a savings account as soon as you get paid. Start with $25 a week if you need to. It adds up quicker than you think. Consider trying a no-spend week or a no-by-November. Challenge. Lots of people your age are doing these to jumpstart their emergency funds and ditch unnecessary expenses without feeling deprived. Watch your big expenses. Housing, debt payments, and transportation are budget busters. Financial planners recommend keeping your rent or mortgage under 28% of your gross income. That might mean finding a roommate, living a little farther from downtown, or negotiating a better rate. Don't let your living situation eat up all the fun money you could be using elsewhere. Tools to make it easier. Budgeting apps are basically personal trainers for your finances. Apps like Mint, YNAB, and EveryDollar sync to your bank account, track transactions automatically, and show you where to cut back. Prefer tactile, the envelope method, where you put cash into envelopes labeled groceries, fun, and gas can be surprisingly effective. Find a tool that feels like a friend, not a chore. Review and adjust regularly, just like your phone needs updates, so does your budget. Check in every few weeks. Are you overspending on takeout? Did you get a raise? Got hit with a surprise car repair? Adjust accordingly. Don't beat yourself up over slip-ups. Life happens. A good budget adapts and grows with you. Conclusion and next steps. Mastering Budgeting 101 gives you the power to live intentionally. Money shouldn't be a mystery or a constant stressor. By tracking, prioritizing, and adjusting, you take control of your financial story. If you're ready to dive deeper, maybe into investing, debt strategies, or big-ticket savings goals, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Let us know in the comments what budgeting tips have worked for you.